Now here we are beginning. आता आपण एस वाय बी एस सीच्या लिनियर अल्जेब्राच्या सिलेबसला सुरुवात करत आहोत. द फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज लिनियर ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन. सपोज व्ही अँड डब्ल्यू आर व्हेक्टर स्पेसेस over R, that is V and W are real vector spaces. A map T from V to W is called as a linear transformation if the following conditions are satisfied. Number 1, T of U plus V. T of U is equal to T of V for all U V belong to V, and T of alpha U is equal to alpha T of U for all alpha belong to R and U belong to V. तर बघा आता व्ही आणि डब्ल्यू हे दोन व्हेक्टर स्पेसेस आहे. तर टी फ्रॉम व्ही टू डब्ल्यू हा एक फंक्शन आहे. तर हा फंक्शन ह्या दोन कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय करणारा असतो. चालू V and W are real vector spaces. T is a map from V to W. T is called as a linear transformation if T satisfies these two conditions. Number 1, T of U plus V, T of U plus T of V for all U V belong to V, and T of alpha U is equal to alpha T of U for all alpha belong to R and U belong to V. तर ह्यासाठी आपण फंक्शनचं डेफिनेशन रिवाईज करणं गरजेचं आहे, ते करूया. आता फंक्शन म्हणजे काय? समजा ए आणि बी हे कोणतेही दोन नॉन एम्प्टी सेट असतील. एमध्ये काहीतरी कुठल्या तरी प्रकारचे काही कितीतरी घटक असू शकतात आणि बीमध्ये पण सेम किंवा वेगळ्या प्रकारचे काय दुसरे घटक असू शकतात. तर फंक्शन फ्रॉम द सेट ए टू सेट बी, a function from the set A to set B is written as f from A to B. तर फंक्शन फ्रॉम सेट ए टू बी काय आहे? तो एक रूल आहे. दॅट रूल which associate each element of A with one and only one element of B. Means a rule that corresponds each element of A with one and one element of B is called as a function from the set A to the set B. The set means here each element in A should have some image in B, and each element in A should have only one image in B. But it is possible that some element of B can have more than one pre-images in A. Such relation between the set A and B is called as a function from the set A to B. The function from set A to B is a rule that associates each element of A with one and only one element of B. Now here, for example, F. Suppose F from R to R. R is the set of real numbers and F is a function from set R defined on the set R into set R. For example, f of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. जर x जर रियल नंबर असेल तर x square is also real number. Therefore, this function is said to be well defined. F of x is equal to x square. What is the image of 0? Image according to this function or according to this rule, image of 0, f of 0 is equal to 0 square. 0 square means 0. f of 1 is equal to 1 square means 1, f of 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 2, means f is a rule that associate each x belong to a with the x square belong to b. Such a rule is called as a function. Now set A is called as a domain set, set B is called as a codomain, and the set of all elements of B which have at least one pre-image in A is called as a range of F. म्हणजे रेंज ही कन्सेप्ट काय ते बघा, बीचे आता एफ जर फ्रॉम ए टू बी फंक्शन असेल तर बीच्या प्रत्येक इलेमेंटला एमध्ये प्री इमेज असेल असं म्हणता येणार नाही. तर ज्या ज्या इलेमेंटला बीच्या ज्या ज्या इलेमेंटला एमध्ये प्री इमेज आहे त्या इलेमेंटचा सेट आहे, दॅट सेट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ रेंज ऑफ एफ. नाव हियर रेंज ऑफ एफ. Now here the set A is called as a domain set, B is called as a codomain, and range is a subset of codomain set. See, therefore now in linear algebra we are most often are considered with a function from the one vector space to another vector space. Suppose U is a vector space, U is a vector space, V or not U but V is a vector space and W is a vector space. Then function defined from V to W, T, function T defined from V to W, this function from T, if this function has these two types of special properties, if for all U belong to V, T of u v belong small u small v belong to v, T of u plus v is equal to T of u plus T of v, and for all alpha belong to R and u belong to v, T of alpha u is equal to alpha T of u, then this function is called as a linear transformation. Vector space V is called as a domain space. Vector space W is called as a codomain space. For example, T, let V is equal to R3. V is R3. The set of triples of real numbers is the set of elements x1, x2, x3 such that the set of order pairs x1, x2, x3 such that x1, x2, x3 are real number. This is a vector space, and we have idea how to add any two element on this space and how to multiply scalarly to some element of this set. We have idea of that. Suppose V is equal to R3 and W is also R2. W is R2. R2 means the set of the elements x1, x2 such that x1, x2 belong to R. तर हे पण वेक्टर स्पेस आहे, दोन्ही वेक्टर स्पेस आहेत. तर सपोज T from V to W, T from V to W, T is a map from V to W defined by T of x1, x2, x3 is equal to x1, 0. T of x1, x2, x3 is equal to x1, 0, where 0 is a real number. So we prove that T is a linear transformation. So let us see, V is R3, W is R2, and T is a map from V to W. T of x1, x2, x3 is equal to x1, 0. Now we prove that T is a linear transformation. Now see here, how to prove that T is a linear transformation? Let U is equal to x1, x2, comma x3. P is equal to y1 comma y2 comma y3 belong to R3. Be any two arbitrary elements. Be any two arbitrary elements. Any two arbitrary elements. Then u plus v, according to the addition in R3, u plus v is equal to x1 comma x2 comma x3 plus y1 comma y2 comma y3. This is equal to x1 plus y1 comma x2 plus y2 comma x3 plus y3. This is the u plus v. Therefore t of u plus v is equal to t of x1 plus y1 comma x2 plus y2 comma x3 plus y3. Now according to rule of t of x1 comma x2 comma x3 is equal to x1 comma 0. Therefore t of u plus v, t of x1 plus y1 comma x2 plus y2 comma x3 plus y3 is equal to x1 plus y1 comma 0, x1 comma y1 plus 0 is equal to x1 comma 0 plus y1 comma 0, but x1 comma 0 is equal to t of x1 x2 x3. x1 comma 0 is equal to t of x1 comma x2 comma x3. T of x1 comma x2 comma x3 is equal to x1 comma 0. It is the t of x1 comma x2 comma x3 plus t of y1 comma y2 comma y3. Because t of u is equal to t of x1 comma x2 comma x3 is equal to x1 comma 0. T of v is equal to t of y1 comma y2 comma y3 is equal to y1 comma 0. Therefore we proved that t of u plus v is equal to x1 plus y1 comma 0 is equal to x1 comma 0 plus y1 comma 0 plus y1 comma 0 over t of u plus t of v, t of u plus t of v is equal to t of u plus t of v. Now let alpha belong to R be any arbitrary real number, real number. T of alpha u, therefore alpha u is equal to alpha x1 comma x2 comma x3 is equal to alpha x1 comma alpha x2 comma alpha x3. Therefore T of alpha u is equal to T of alpha x1 comma alpha x2 comma alpha x3 is equal to alpha x1 comma 0 is equal to alpha x1 comma 0 is equal to alpha T of u. Therefore by this is 1, this statement is 1, this statement is 2. Therefore by the statement 1 and 2, T is a linear transformation. Therefore by the statement 1 and 2, by 1 by 1 and 2, T is a linear transformation. T is a linear transformation. Linear transformation. Now see here. Now suppose V is a P3x. P is equal to P3x. The vector space of real polynomials having degree 3 or less than 3 is equal to, means the vector space of real polynomial functions, polynomials having degree 3 or less than 3, having degree less than or equal to 3, and W is the set of real numbers. W is the set of real numbers. Let T, here we know that V is equal to P3x. That is the vector space of all real polynomials having degree less than 3 or equal to 3. It is a vector space over R, and W is the set of real numbers. Let T from V to W, T of A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus A3x cube is equal to A0 plus A3 minus A2. So we prove that T is a linear transformation. This here V is equal to P3, the vector space of real polynomials, the set of real numbers. That T from V to W, T of A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus A3x cube. Now check with, now prove, show that T is a linear transformation. T of A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus A3x is equal to A0 plus A3 minus A2. A0 plus A3 minus A2 show that T is a linear transformation. T is a linear transformation. Let solution, let U is equal to P1x, U is equal to P1x is equal to A0 plus A1x plus A2x square plus A3x cube, and let V is equal to a0 dash plus a1 dash x plus a2 dash x square plus a3 dash x cube. Now we prove that T is a linear transformation. Therefore, ये दिसते है ना, u plus v is equal to a0 plus a0 dash plus a1 plus a1 dash x किती मिनिटात झालं. Now here u plus v is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus a0 dash plus a1 dash x plus a2 dash x square plus a3 dash x cube. Now we know that how to add two polynomials. Here u plus v are u plus v a0 plus a0 dash plus a1 plus a1 dash x plus a2 plus a2 dash x square plus a3 plus a3 dash x cube. This is the therefore T of u plus v. T of u plus v is equal to T of a0 plus a0 dash plus a1 plus a1 dash x plus a2 plus a2 dash x square plus a3 plus a3 dash x cube. Now here T of is equal to is equal to a0 plus a0 dash minus plus a3 plus a3 dash minus a2 plus a2 dash. Now this is equal to a0 plus a3 minus a2 plus a0 dash plus a3 dash minus a2 dash, and this is equal to P of a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x x cube. This is equal to T of plus T of a0 dash plus a1 dash x plus a2 dash x square plus a3 dash x cube is equal to T of u plus T of v. Therefore first condition is satisfied here. T of u plus v is equal to T of u plus T of v. Therefore we proved that T of u plus T of v, T of u plus v is equal to T of u plus T of v. Now let alpha belong to R be any arbitrary element, be any arbitrary real number, arbitrary. Now T of alpha u T of alpha u is equal to T of, what is the alpha u? Alpha into u, a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube is equal to T of alpha a0 plus alpha a1x plus alpha a2x square plus alpha a3x cube. This is how we multiply scalarly. This is equal to alpha a0 plus alpha a0 plus alpha a3 minus alpha a2 is equal to alpha a0 plus a3 minus a2. This is equal to alpha t of u. Therefore, we proved that t of alpha u is equal to alpha t of u. Therefore, by statement 1 and 2, by 1 and 2, t is a linear transformation. T is a linear transformation. Now, therefore, T is a linear transformation. We proved that T is a linear transformation. Now, here are some exercises. Let phi is M2R. The set of 2 by 2 real polynomials. Exercise: the set of 2 by 2 real matrices. 33 मिनिटाच्या वर गेलं का सांगा, तिथं बंद करायचं. द सेट ऑफ 2 by 2 रियल मॅट्रायसेस W P2x, the set of polynomials, real polynomials having degree 3, degree less than or equal to 2. Now prove that T of A, B, C, D is here. T from V to W is defined as T of A, B, C, D is equal to A plus BX plus CX square. A plus BX plus CX square. Check whether T is a linear transformation. बंद कर. Whether T is a linear transformation and find T of 1 minus 1 to 0. बस कर. Whether T is a linear transformation and find T 1 2 minus 1 0. बस कर. Let phi is equal to the set of real valued functions, real valued real valued differentiable functions, differentiable functions, differentiable functions defined on 0 to 2 pi. V is the set of real value differential function 0 to pi. W is the set of let t v to v, t of f, t v to v, t of f is equal to f dash, the derivative of f, the derivative of f, the derivative of f, t is equal to f dash df by dx. Show that t is a linear transformation. Show that t is a linear transformation. Linear transformation. झाले 30 मिनिटं. हां बस कर.